3M proudly presents an advanced 11 kV T-tapping system. This video demonstrates the installation procedure and features of the 11 kV T-tapping system. The 11 kV T-tap kit consists of the following components: silicone insulator, complete insulated cover, aluminium bus bar with nuts and bolts, and cable ties. To mount the 11 kV T-tap on the cross arm of the pole, align the insulator's base holes with the holes of the cross arm. Insert the bolts provided in the kit and fasten each with nuts. The 11 kV T-tap is provided with 4 ports: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each port is provided with reinstallable sealing caps for protection from water ingress, dust and insects. Entry ports are designed in such a way that it can accommodate lower size to higher size cables. Higher sized cables can be inserted by slitting the cutaway grooves. To open the top cover, apply slight pressure and pull the lid upwards. The top cover is designed with self-locking grooves which snap fits on the bottom cover. To mount cable termination, remove the nut and washer of the corresponding port on the bus bar. Insert the lug of the termination to the respective port. Ensure to keep the lug palm on top of the bus bar. Place the washer over the lug palm and fasten with a nut using proper tool. Follow the same steps to connect cable termination to the other ports. Three cable terminations are shown connected to the bus bar, of which one port can be the main power, while the other two can be of tapping. The port can also be used for lightning arrestor, or in case it is left unutilized, it must be covered with sealing cap. Now the termination is complete. The top cover has internal locking grooves. Place the top cover on the insulated base and press to snap fit. Use cable tie at the specific slot as shown to provide extra sealing protection to the top cover. Cut extra length of the cable ties. The 3M 11 kV T-tapping system is designed with a reopenable insulated cover which is UV resistant and lightweight. It is easy to install and is a water drain design.